said, there are still a number of regulatory hurdles here in the UK versus other markets where you've seen this rush into cannabis stocks. That Canada was clearly one of the big beneficiaries. Then the United States, again, even more recently, with about 5 states deciding to approve at the recent election cannabis use in some form or the other. Why come to the UK instead of going to other markets where there's already approval widespread across many states?
First of all, the cannabis is still not legal federally. It's legal state by state. The second part, we are a company that's operating in Europe, and therefore we would like to have the listing and the capital market in proximity to where we're operating. So our communication will be much more closer, much more regular. And also we need to remember that the LSE is the biggest listing in Europe, and as such, it gives its benefit. So we don't need to seek for across the ocean places.
Roby, very good morning to you. It seems to be very obvious that Big Pharma is always looking for the next big growth driver. Hence, we saw the biotech purchasing boom of the last decade or so as well. I read the odd article, I think there was one late last year I was reading in November as well, about Big Pharma taking a very big look at medicinal cannabis as well. Is that something you think is happening or is about to happen, that a lot of these companies will start looking at players such as yourself and looking at the options for takeovers and mergers and acquisitions activity?
Yes, I think the market is moving to this direction. We can see the recent event with GW Pharma that you all know. And I think that the cannabis market is moving in two vertical. One of them is the pharmaceutical, where MGC is on the path, where we're developing the medicines and we're looking for marketing authorization like the FDA and EMA. And there is the other path of the recreational. So in the end of the day, you will see two segments of the market, where MGC, and I think some of the companies are sitting in this segment that the biotech is looking at and investing a lot of time and effort in developing of medicine and a treatment based on cannabinoids or natural substances, that the biotech industry will look into it. I think it's the next generation of medicine.